Hello, my name is Jackson, and in this webinar, I'm going to teach you about how to use Merit's app CredCreator to create digital certificates that are going to be attached to any Merit templates that you create and that you can automatically send to people that you issue merits to. So I'll start off with just a glimpse of what one of these digital certificates looks like. So here I am in my member profile, and I'm going to click on one of my merits. This is the Cert Basic merit. And in the Info tab, I can see all of the basic fields that are part of my merit. And then I see this other tab here, Digital Certificate. And so what this is it's an image that represents this merit. So I can see here we have a certificate of completion. It's got my name on it. Says that I have completed all the requirements of Cert Basic Training. It's got the date completed and the training location. And so because I have this in my merit profile, it means that someone created this digital certificate in Credential Creator, and this was sent out to everyone who has this merit, and it had their own information filled in here. So people have the option to download this certificate as an image file so they can print it and share it in other ways. And now I'm going to walk you through how you create these. So you're going to go to Credential Creator at credcreator.com. And it's going to give you this link with merit button. So if you click that, if you're already signed in to Merit through the member or organization portal, it's going to sign you in. And if you're the admin of multiple organizations like I am, it's going to give you the choice of which organization you want to be working with. Whose Merit templates do you want to use? So I'm going to choose Demo Org. Okay. And so this loads the main screen of CredCreator, where it is showing you all of the digital certificates that have been made previously. And some of these in the status part, they say unpublished, which means that this is essentially still a draft certificate and it hasn't been sent out to people. And some of them say published, which means it's been published, so it's actually been sent out to everyone who has a merit from this merit template. And so they have access to their own digital certificate in their member profile. So if I want to create a new digital certificate, I will click Add a Credential up here. And so first off, it's going to ask me to select a merit template that I want to use. So these digital certificates, they allow you to incorporate the various data fields that are contained in the merit template. So each certificate you create has to be mapped to at least one merit template. So I'm going to choose Cert Basic, and when I hover over it, it's going to show me what the available fields are in that merit template. And all of these I will be able to use in my digital certificate. Now you're not restricted to using just one merit template when you're creating one of these credentials. You can select multiple merit templates if you want to incorporate the data from different merits and bring them together. And when you do that, there's still going to be a single primary merit template that's designated. And that primary template is the one that this digital certificate will be attached to. So for now, I'm just going to stick with that one merit template, Cert Basic. You have the chance to name your credential. I recommend just having the credential have the same name as the merit template. And now you have the option of, do you want to create a one-sided certificate or a two-sided certificate? I'm going to choose one-sided. And now you have the ability to upload the background image that is going to be used for your certificate. Now, this can accept either a JPEG or a PNG file. Now, for this background image, I just have this template that I made on the website Canva, which is a free image editor, and they have multiple certificate of completion templates. So I used this one and just used the text fields to make it my own, added this image. And I saved this as a PNG on my computer. So I can go back into Credential Creator, and you have the option of either dragging a file directly into this window, or you can browse. So I'm gonna browse and find that PNG image in my downloads, and that has been uploaded. So I can continue. And here is your editing workspace. So this is showing me in the center here, it's showing essentially my canvas. This is that image that I just uploaded. And on the left here are all of my fields. So these are all the fields that exist in this merit template. These are the bits of information that I can attach. So in this space here, I would like to include the name of the person who's going to be receiving this merit. So looking at my available fields, I see that full name is one of them. So I can actually click that one and drag it onto the screen, and it appears. Now it says full name. That is the name of the field. And whenever this certificate is actually sent to someone, this spot will be substituted for the value that is in that field, so the person's full name. So once you've added a field to the image, you can click it and drag it to move it around. Let me just zoom in a little bit here. I can click on this button right here to adjust the font settings for this. So let's say I want to change the color. I can click this color icon and choose which color I want. I can change the font. So maybe I'll go with some, sure, how about some Railway Bold? Let's make that a little bit bigger with the font size. So by default, it's center oriented, but you can make it left oriented or right oriented. So I'll position that to where I want it. You have some buttons here that can align this with the middle or the center of the image. So I'm just going to keep this in the middle. I like the way that that looks. And also, I think I'm going to add the field for date completed. So completion date is down here. I'll add that. Maybe change this one. I'll make it purple. Change the font to Arvo Bold Italic. Okay, and last thing, I got training location. I can put in my location of course field. I'd like to have that match up, so I'll make this one also be purple and Arvo Bold Italic. Okay, and once you're satisfied with the way that your certificate looks, if you would like to immediately publish it, you can click Save and Publish. If you just like to save your work and return back to it, you can use the Save button here. So I'm going to click Save and Publish. All right, and it's going to give you this message saying that you have updated the credential to this merit template, and it's going to publish it. which means that it's going to begin generating that credential image for each merit in the next 15 to 30 minutes. And so pretty soon, in each of the member profiles of people who received a merit using this template, they are going to receive a digital certificate that looks something like this. Yeah, I used the same merit template and just updated it a bit. And so you have the option of, if you've already created a digital certificate, you can go back and edit it, and when you republish it, you will have the option of selecting whether you want to update all of the versions that are in everyone's merit profiles already, or if you just want the new version to be for people who are newly issued that merit template. And that is the process of creating digital certificates for members of your organization. Thank you, and have fun using CredCreator for your own organization.